Hello friends, today we are here with a special success story about the interview guidance and the proposal guidance at A.S.S Science Foundation. So we had one of our student URJA VASHISHTH. She was studying in the live online program. So URJA did her B.SC from Kurukshetra University in the Life Sciences and Masters in Environmental Studies from Delhi University. So she was giving all these entrances and interviews. She already qualified a NET-JRF in the very first attempt with us. Then she was working hard for proposals and interviews. In that series, she was giving the interviews of all the IITs, ICERs, CSIR labs, etc. So in that series, she subsequently gave 4 interviews. The first, she gave the interview of IIT Jodhpur. She qualified it successfully. Then she went for CSIR IIP Dehradun. She got finally selected there also. CSIR Niri Nagpur. She got through that also. And finally, she got through the CSIR NPL, which is National Physical Laboratory, and decided to take the admission there. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate URJA VASHISHTH for her PhD journey ahead. At present, the institute is offering various programs such as live, online, offline, and correspondence with video program for NET-JRF December 2024. The institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Science and Engineering for 2025 attempt. The institute is also offering comprehensive crash course program for HPSC assistant professor positions. The institute also offer an effective program for CUET PG in life sciences and environmental sciences. The institute offers comprehensive program for the proposal writing, interview, as well as for the interview guidance for universities in US and Europe as well, for PhD as well as master's program. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given contact numbers through our web page or Instagram or YouTube for a sure success in the minimum time and effort investment. Thank you.